Hello and welcome to CDX 2019. This year we've brought the show to Farnborough. We've got a huge array of brilliant content. Our headline partners have produced white papers from everything from the future of the car buyer to the future of the car dealership. I'm being joined on stage by some brilliant car dealers, by some great manufacturers. There's huge amounts of content here today in the workshop rooms too, and if you look behind me, the expo room is full of some brilliant stuff.
It's a chance to come and meet with a whole bunch of people from the industry in one go. We've met with existing customers, new customers, partners, and it's just everything crammed in a nice long day session, so it's superb, yeah.
I think CDX is a really good opportunity to meet dealers and suppliers. And I think it's quite an incestuous world in the motor trade, so it's always a good opportunity to meet up with some of my old colleagues, and that's been really great.
Well, this year CDX has been really good for us. The attendance levels have been great. We've had a lot of footfall through to the stand today. We've done loads of demos of the product, so it's been really good.
It has been our first year this year at CDX, and we've been overwhelmed with some of the footfall. So it's opened us access to some familiar faces, but also some new ones. So we're quite excited about the prospects there.
Yeah, and CDX has been great for us as well. We have a lot of new business interest. It's been coming here around our booth, a lot of foot traffic to our booth.
It's a great place for networking first and foremost, but also to see the latest innovation, technology-wise, process-wise in the UK motor trade.
I think CDX is the one moment in the year really when this industry comes together and it talks about itself and about its future and how it can progress, and I think that's really important for any industry, but to do it all at the same place at the same time with a real buzz about it really just brings more energy to the conversation.
So you join me here at the end of CDX. As you can see behind me, the hall is emptying. We're packing down. The delegates have gone home. It's been a brilliant day. We've had some really good sessions on the live stage. The workshops have been absolutely packed, and we've had real industry heavyweights here. Everyone from car manufacturer bosses to CEOs of big dealer groups. I've learned a lot, the dealers have learned a lot, and now we're looking forward to next year.